How to reset file Setbox password on your iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I have a simple yet essential guide for you how to reset your file Setbox password on your iPhone if you have forgotten it. So let's dive right in. First thing first, you need to access to your settings on your iPhone. So simply tap on the settings. Once in settings, scroll down and then tap on privacy and security. Here, if you have file save box option, just navigate to it. Here I do not have a file save box option, so I'll simply guide you from here. If you have file save box or similar secure storage option, look for it under files and folders, and depending on your iOS version you need to tap on it to proceed. If you have forgotten your password, you may need to tap on reset password or forgot password. This process will only affect your installed app, so don't worry, your photos, audios, videos, email and contact number will remain safe. Now, you can create a new password. Make sure it's something memorable but secure. Once you have entered your new password, confirm it and you're all set. And that's it, you have successfully reset your file save box password on your iPhone without losing any important data. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next video.